Hey folks, a little cleaning tip for you. I actually ran upstairs to this window and I wanted to show you how we can clean this entire window without using a ladder going outside. We can do it all from the inside. Our bottom sash is able to move up, tilt in. We're going to lay that down. We're able then to lower our top sash, tilt in, easy to clean. Reset that. We can actually take the screen out from up here. We're going to bring the screen right inside, wash it down, clean it up. Our screen is actually made from a flex memory material, very durable. It's also electrostatically charged. It's going to help reduce the pollens in the air and the allergens. It's made with 2 little leaf springs here, so it's very easy to take in and out right from upstairs. So there's your cleaning tip for the day.